Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we will be discussing yet another project inspired by Elon Musk, Titter Inu. Now this is the greatest new social media app out there, and we will actually get into that part of this project here in just a little bit, because yes, I do have a Titter Inu account that we will be posting my first post on once we get there. So Elon said delete the W in Twitter, and they decided, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So this is the so that's the newest Elon tweet. So Elon has recently shared his thoughts on social media. We are here to turn that idea into gold. And you can actually check out, so this is their Telegram group, if you check that out, with over 1,000 members at the moment, and the Titter community. Now, this is actually my Titter page that I've already logged into, but we will get into that momentarily. And then invest safely are security measures to keep your funds Safu. With so many scams out there, you can never know if a token is safe. That's why we dedicated this particular section to explaining why the project is a rare gem. Now, that being said, thank you for reminding me. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, purely just the opinion of a crypto geek. So when that is said, don't invest in something just because I talk about it. Please make sure to, of course, do a modicum of your own research to make sure any investment that is made is good for you. Just got to say that, of course, to give you that friendly disclaimer, as I should have at the front. But we will continue. So they've got their liquidity locked on Unicrypt, their contracts verified by BSC Scan, and buy and sell taxes are fixed at 3% each. Open your mind for new possibilities. When a strong community and a dedicated team stick together, there are no limits to what can be accomplished. Let's see their little video here. And then join now. That, I believe that'll take you to their to their Telegram or the actual login. Really beautifully animated. Yeah, there's a really beautiful animation. So this is actually what it looks like. You can see here what's new with you today. So let's make our first Titter post, shall we? Hanging with my crypto coins friends. I'm really original. Yes, and let's see. So yes, that is posted. And then I can, of course, do what I do with all of my stuff and just go give that a like, give that a little smile there. Seriously, so we can go through, so you can kind of check out the different parts of it. So got notifications and app mentions, just like any good social media app would have. You do have trending with all the hot topics, things people are posting about. People are hashtagging and posting, and you can actually see there are different people to follow. You can check it out. Titter Inu having 37 followers, which I'll give them a little follow. Hope I get that follow back, boys. So yeah, you can see, though, again, just like any good social media, they've got an explore, hashtag explore. You can see people just talking, Titter Inu to the moon, and just people posting memes and just funny stuff. Messages, of course, and remember, obviously, some of these don't show for mine, like notifications, messages, and stuff, just because I haven't gotten them yet, but I am talking about this, as you've seen. I have signed up for this because I thought that this one was just a hoot and a holler, to be honest with you. We can see here, and the bookmarks tab as well, just like, again, any good social media should have all of these different tabs to make sure that you can actually keep up with, posts that you like, that kind of thing. There is the wallet function as well, and you can see I do not have anything in the wallet as well, but you can top up your wallet and use that for different stuff on the platform. So do keep that in mind. Of course, there is advertising. So I don't have any ads yet, but again, that is kind of what you might use the money for when doing that, right? So you pay for ads. So you can see the different steps as the ads kind of go. They're pending, active, archive them, that kind of thing. Then account settings. So we will see here the profile settings area where you just put your different info. Again, just like any good social media, you're just sort of verifying who and what you are, what the deal is. And again, it is sort of just like, just like their own version of Twitter, funny enough. I really like it. And you can change the display view as well, the color scheme, to something a little bit different. So I've got it on purple. Let's go with Let's go with a nice yellow. So you see how it changes in the background, pink, green. So very cool. And then the background color, you can go default or dark, which I think is also really interesting that they allow for that. I'm gonna like the dark. I think it's a little easier on the eyes. And that is display settings. Obviously log out, and yeah, that is Titter, my friends. I know this one is short and sweet today, but this is just a project that I thought was really fun and really clever. Obviously there's plenty left to go with this project, and I think this one has nowhere to go but up. But Titter is a very cool project. It's called Titter Inu period top. Titter Inu period top. I will have all the links in the description, but I just signed up for it today. Thought I'd do a little post and show you about it because I thought this one was a lot of fun. As always, my friends, thank you very much though for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we discussed Titter Inu, and I will see you in the next episode.